So welcome again to 98 percentiles MRM, that is Math Revision Marathon, where we are trying to be wise and we are trying to revise the portions for our exams. Great, Chinmay. I can see your thumbs up there. Excellent to see that. Okay, so my name is Jinsi. Okay, I'll be your revision buddy for the day. So I hope you're all ready, and we have already covered one of the domains. Have you all revised operations and algebraic thinking? All revised properly? Great. So we are now moving on to the second domain, and that is numbers and operations in base 10. So that is the topic that we are going to revise today. I hope you're all ready for the same. Yes or no? Great. Can you all cheer up? Can you all cheer up? Great, great to see that. Go. Number and operations base 10. Okay. First question. 30,409 times 100 is equal to how much? Ten of you have already answered. Okay. Okay, so that's great to see your answers here. 7 of you got it correct and 3 of you got it incorrect, but let's check how to do this question. It's an easy one, right? It's a very easy one for every one of us to do, but let's see what's the mistake or what is not letting us to get the answer. So it was 30,409 times 100, and every time when we have the power of 10, we will see the number of zeros here. There are two zeros, so 2 zeros we will be adding just after the last digit. So it would be this one. The blue option is the correct answer. So did you all understand how to do this? So if it is, suppose 30,409 times 10, there is only 1 0 here. So then your answer would be 30,490. The number of zeros you will add as many zeros as it is. Is it clear? It is only in the case of the powers of 10, 100,000, and it will go like that. Is it clear to everyone? Yes or no? Great. So with this, let's see who has scored the highest and who is on the top. Okay, so who is on the top? Okay, Gupkri, we have Pramar, Ansh, Navad, and Chimen. Don't worry, we have more questions with us. Let's move on to the next question. Okay, so your next question comes like this. 14,442 times dash equal to, your answer, you should type your answer. Okay, it's 9 of you got it correct. So we had in the previous question also, we had learned this thing. So see, times dash equal to 14,4,4,2,0. What is extra here? There is one more zero here. And we learned if one more zero is extra, that means it has to be multiplied with 10. That's how we do this one. Is this clear? Got it? It was just another way of doing like the previous question. It's the same question, same type of question. Clear, everyone? Give me a thumbs up if it is clear to everyone. Great. Okay, so let's see who is correct here. Who is, on the top? Okay, so who is it?
Jinsi, can you please go out of the full screen? We need to see the game pin. I think Sanjukta needs the game pin.
Okay. Okay, so the pin is here. We can see the pin. 6752404.
Can you repeat that? 6, 7.
6752404.
Okay, thank you. Thank you,
Okay.
Sanjukta. You can.
Yeah, do we require 1 minute, some time for her to join? Or could we proceed?
You can proceed. I have typed in the chat.
Okay, great. So Pramar has come up. Chimay, Gupkri, Navat, and Ansh. Let's check the next question. Okay, the question is, which of the following equation correctly compares the tens place and the thousands place in the number 8,888? The comparison of the tens place and the thousands place. Okay, so 8 of you got it correct. So let's see, and 2 of you didn't get it correct. Let's check how to proceed with this answer. Okay, so let's see here. So it is 8,888. So the thousands place is, we know this is a thousands place, so it is 8,000. And the tens place is this one, which is 80. And which, when we are comparing it, 8,000 over 80 would give us 100. So there is a difference of the hundreds place. There's a difference of hundreds place which is there between the thousands place and the tens place. So that's why this answer is correct. Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear? Yes or no? Can I get a thumbs up if it is clear to everyone? Okay, great. Okay, so now let us proceed. I hope it is clear. Let's see who is the winner over here. Okay, so we could see Gupri coming up again. Very good. Others, come up quick. It has to be very quick answers. That's why. Okay, Pramar has the highest streak. Very good, Pramar. Let's move on. 4,400 over 100. You have to type your answer. Okay, 8 of you got it correct. See here, it is 4,400 over 100. Okay, so there are 2 zeros here. Just as we had learned that if it was multiplication, we know we had added 2 zeros. So it would have been 0, 0, 0, 0. But when it is division, we will move toward 2 points towards the left. So if we have the number like this, so if the point is here, so we are going 2 points to the left. So see, we are putting the point here. So now the answer would be 44.0 or 44. If it had been, suppose if it was 4400 over a 10, see only 1 0 here. So we will only move 1 point toward the left. That is here. Then the answer would have been 440. Is this clear to everyone? Yes or no? Can I get a yes or no? Clear with the division? If it is multiplication, we move to the right. If it is division, we move to the left. That's how we do it. Is it clear? Okay, great. Fine. So yes, I think so we can proceed. And let me just erase this so that we can proceed and see the scoreboard first. Okay, let's see the scoreboard. Who is on the top? Oh, Pramar. Pramar has been trying from a long time. Well done, Pramar. Chimay is just behind. Gupkri, Navat, and Aditi. Okay, new students on top on the scoreboard. Let's move on to the next question. 81 ones times 10 equal to how much? 81 ones times 10. Three seconds more. Okay, 10 of you got it correct. 3 of you didn't get it correct. 81 ones. 81 ones means it is being multiplied by 1. So it is 81 itself. Now, that times 10. 81 times 10 would be 810. And if 810, because we know it is 10, so we have added 10 towards the right. Okay, so 81 ones is 81. 81 hundreds is, remember, 81 hundreds means it would be 81 times 100, and that is 8100. 81 thousands, it would be 81000. It is only 81 tens, which means 81 times 10, and that is 810, which is equal to the answer that we have got. Did you understand how we got this? Each place value, that means ones means we are going to multiply it with 1. Tens means we have to multiply that number with 10. Hundreds means multiply with 100, and so on. That's how we do it. Understood? Clear, everyone? Great. Okay, so that's understood to everyone. Let's see who has come up now, or is Pramar only taking the lead? Let's check it. Okay, Pramar is again on the lead, but yes, Navat has the highest answer streak of 5. Gupkri again came up, Chimay and Aditi. Very good, very good. Let's move on. 100 ones equal to dash. Which of the following is 10 times 8 present in 70,284? Okay, so here it is in tens place. That means it will be 8 times 10 here. So that is 80. So it is asking which is 10 times. That means we have to multiply it with 10. Therefore, we will get the answer 800. So that is 10 times the 8 present in this one, which will give us 800. Okay, so that is how we do this question. With that, let's move on to the next question. Okay, don't worry. Okay, the next question. The digit 8 in the number 28,910 is 10 times greater than the value of the digit 8 in which of the following numbers? Okay, 6 of you got it correct. Let's check. So the question is, this is the number 828910. 8 in the number 28910. That is, it is in the thousands place. That means here it will be 8 times 1000, and that is 8000. Is 10 times greater than the value of the digit 8 in which of the following? So here it is 8 times 1, which is 8. Here it is 8 times 100, which is 800. Here it is 8 times 10,000, which is 80,000. Here it is 8,000 itself. So 8,000 is 10 times greater to which one? That will be 800. So this would be the answer in this case. Okay, so the question is, which is 10 times greater to the value? That is what is given in the question. Okay, so with that, let us move and check who is leading now. Okay, Chimay is again leading. Gupkri, Navat, Mirai, and Pramar. Very good. Next question. Which number below is written out as 84,000 829. Okay, quick. Okay, good. It was an easy question. 84,000. So it became 84,000 like this. 800. So then came 829. Yeah, this is the word form and you have to write it numerically. So 7 of you got it correct and 4 of you didn't get it correct. So be very careful and read the question properly. Okay, with that, let's check the scoreboard. Okay, Chime is again on top. Very good, Chime. Pramar, Gupri, Navath, and Hirtan has come up. Very good. Next question. Which of the following is equal to 73,920 or 73920? It's the expanded form that you have to find out. Okay. So if you could see here, it is 73,000. So it is 7 10,000, right? This is 7 times 10,000. Then we have 3,000s. Then we have 900. Then we have 2 times 10. And then we have 0 times 1. So others are incorrect because there are other order which are there. So you have to remember it is ones, tens, hundreds, then we have thousands, and then 10,000s. So this is a place value that you have to remember. Okay, let's check who is the winner. Okay, Chimay is again on top. Rishit has come up. Very good, Chimay. Let's check the next question. Select the expressions below that represent the number 1574. Check all that is true. Quick, quick, quick. Okay. It was selecting all. You have to select all that are true. Okay, so see here. It was 1574. So see 1000 plus 500 plus 70 plus 4. This would have given us 1574. And this also, see this one, this is written in words and this is written in the digits. This is the same thing. So you should have selected both to get the correct answer. Okay, understood this thing? Okay, let's check. Okay, Chimay is again on top. Very good. Hirtan has come up. Very good. Type the answer. 800s plus 12 tens plus 35 ones equal to, you have to type the number, only the number. Type the number only. 800s. Please don't write on the screen. Okay. Okay, 800s. See what's the 800s means 8 times 100. 12 tens, that means 12 times 10. That is 120. And 35 ones means 35 times 1. And that is 35 here. So here it will be 5. Here it will be 5. And here it will be 8 plus 1 equal to 955. Remember, hundreds means multiplied with 100. Tens means whatever is the number or the digit, you have to multiply it with 10. And ones means you have to multiply it with 1. So that's how we do this question. Okay, so let's see who is the winner again. Okay, Chime is leading. Very good, the same scoreboard. Okay, moving on to the next question. Select the number sentence below that is true. Which one is true? Quick answers. Okay, very good. Everyone got it correct. So we know that this one is greater than the next one. Okay, so others all are incorrect. So very good. Everyone got it correct. So I hope greater than, less than, and equal to is clear. So the place values you must understand. Okay, let's check. Okay, Rishit has come up. Shimei is again leading. Okay, let's move on. It's a multi-select question. Which of the following numbers can be rounded to the nearest 1,000 to get 24,000? Check all that are true. You have to round it to the nearest 1,000 so that we get 24,000. Quick, quick, quick. Why is it taking time? Okay. Nearest thousands. Whenever we are taking the nearest 1,000, we must check the last 3 digits. See here. This is 24,371. So if the last 3 digit is greater than 500, you will add 1 here in the thousands place. If it is less than 5, okay, if it is greater than or equal to 500, it will be, you will add 1 here. If it is less than 500, you will keep it as it is. So see here, 24371. Here 371 is less than 500. So it becomes 24 itself and others become 000. Here, if you see 704 is greater than 500. So this will be added. You will add 1 to the thousands place. So it will be 224 and others will remain 000. So always when it is nearest 1,000, remember to check the last 3 digits. That's how we check the question and then we do the answer. Okay, so let's see who is the winner here, who is leading. Okay, Sanjukta has come up. Aditi has a streak of 3 correct answers. Very good. Okay, the 16th question. It's a multi-select. Which of the following equations is equal to 20,980? Check all that are true. There may be more than one. Okay, you are giving one answer correct, maybe other answer not in, that is not correct. Let's check this one. 20,980. It's an addition problem. So 10,820 plus 10,160. When you're adding it, 0, 8, then we get 9 here, then 0, then 20. So 20,980 here also we are getting. So addition, keep it properly according to the placed value. See here 10, 7, 8, then we have a 9, 4 plus 6 is equals to 10, and 1 plus 1 equal to 2. So in both cases, we are getting 20,980. So we must keep according to the place value only. That's the main factor here. Okay, let's check. Who is leading? Okay, Chima is leading again. Miraya has come up. Aditi has a streak of 4 correct answers. Very less questions now, 17th question. It's a multi-select question. Which of the following expressions are equal to 419, 415, 419,415? It's a subtraction question. Okay, let's see here. Okay, so it is subtraction question. So see here, 477, then we had 663, then we had 58248. So when we subtract this, it is 13 here. So we got 5, then it became 5 over here, and it came 1 here. 6 minus 2, it would be 4. We are taking 1 carry over here, then we get 9, then we get 6 here. We get the answer here. Similarly, when we do this answer, we are also getting the same value here. So these are the two correct options. So subtraction here also, if you could see, when we get 5, 8, you need not write it. You must write it accordingly. It should be under 7 only. It should not be, you should not write it here. Then it would be wrong. So according to the place value, you have to keep, and then you have to subtract the values. That's how we are going to do this one. Let's check who is winner. Oh, Chimay. Very good. Sanjukta has come up. Pramar, Rishit, Miraya. Well done. Okay, you have to type the answer. A farm has 216 apples. Apple trees, sorry. The trees were planted evenly across 8 rows. How many apple trees are there in each row? Totally 216 apple trees planted evenly across 8 rows. How many apple trees are there in each row? Okay. Okay. 2 of you got it correct. Okay, so totally there are 216, right? Total there are 216. And we know that it is in each row. How many rows? There are totally 8 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in each row, how many should be there so that we can get 216? So we will find out dash times 8 is 216. So here we will get that we can put this as x. So x would be equal to 216 over 8. Okay. So what we get here is 27. So 27 apple trees must be there in each row. So you can consider this as dash times 8 is equal to 216, or you can think it as 216 over 8 would give us the value that is required. So that is how we do this question. It's a question of multiplication and division. Remember the rows and the columns, how we are doing this. Let's check. Has someone, oh, no, not yet. Shima is yet leading. Pramar has the highest streak of answering 3 correct answers. Type the answer, solve the equation. 4,221 times 4 equal to how much? You have time. You have 46 seconds more. Okay, 9 of you have given the answer. Only 3 more seconds. Okay. 16,808. 8 of you got it correct. Very good. So it is 4,221 times 4. Okay, so 4 is being multiplied with 1. 4 times 1 equal to 4. 4 times 2 equal to 8. 4 times 2 equal to 8. And 4 times 4 equal to 16. So that is how we get the answer 16,884. So remember how we do the multiplication. We always start with the ones place. Let's check. Okay, Mariah has come up. Otherwise, the scoreboard remains the same. Okay, the last 2 questions. Maria bought 4 bags of seeds that weigh 128 ounces each. How many ounces of bird seeds did she buy in total? 4 bags of seed that weighed 128 ounces each. What's the total ounces? Or how many ounces of bird seed did she buy? Okay, only 3 answers. 4 bags, right? There were 4 bags, and each bag 1, bag 2, bag 3, and bag 4. Each was 128, 128, 128, and 128. So we could have added this time 4 times, or we could have done 4 times 128, which would have given us 512. So each bag for 128 means you have to multiply it with 4. Okay, so multiplication question. Okay, Pramar has come up. Very good, Pramar. Okay, let's check. A teacher has 29 pencils. If she gives 3 pencils to all 9 students, how many pencils will she have left over? Easy question. 29 pencils in total. Okay, 6 of you got it correct. Okay, let's check. Don't worry. So totally 29. Okay, so there are 9 students, and for each she give 3. That means she has given up 27. So what we do here, she has given 27 and the total was 29. So we do total minus given, and that is 29 minus 27. That is equal to 2. That is how we get this answer. Okay, so for each means, or to all students means, she has given for each 3. That is 3 times 9, and that is 27. Okay, let's check. Okay, great. So let's see what's the final podium that we have. In the third position, we have Rishit. The second position, we have Chimay. And in the first position, we have Pramar. Excellent. Very good. Good to see that. Okay. So great. So I hope you enjoyed the session. Okay. With that, we come to the end of this, and congratulations. This next one that is coming up is number and operations fractions, and that would be on April 17, 2022 from 11:30 a.m. to 12:45 a.m.